Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small haul for you. It's not much stuff, but I thought it was worthy of the haul, so let's just get started. So I have like sections: face, eyes and lips, and I want to start with face. So the first two things I got was one foundation, but I have two here, and they look like this. And they are Essence Stay All Day 16-hour long-lasting makeup. The two shades I have are 20 Soft Nude and 15 Soft Cream. The first one that I got was I'm not sure. Yeah, 15 Soft Cream. When was like the end of the summer, because I was much darker than I am now, but then I got pale back again, and I have to switch up to 20 Soft Nude because this one matched me better now, and I am very pleased with these foundations. They last, they don't crease, at least on my skin, but I think if you have like dry skin, that this would not look good on you. I don't know, you can try, but okay. The next thing I got was this, and this is a concealer, Essence Stay Natural Concealer. I don't know the shade, it doesn't say what shade is this, but it's very lighter than my skin. The applicator looks like this. It's like a brush, and you twist it here to get the product out, and it's okay. It does cover, but not too much. Like it said, stay natural. The next thing that I got from Essence was this. This is the Essence Sun Club All-in-One Bronzing Highlighter. Blondes lighter skin for eyes, face and body. Now this is for blondes, but I'm not blonde, but I have very pale skin, so I got this one because the other one is for brunettes and darker skin. It was too dark for me. And this is number 1 Sunlight, and it's very nice. It have like this section here, that's like the lighter section, and then this here, and you get like rosy, brownish, goldish. It's very nice, and I use it for highlight here on my nose, and yeah, I very like it. I like it very much. Sorry. Now the next thing that I got was the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder, and it looks like this. And this is in number 4 Perfect Beige, and I don't like it at all. I don't know, it's very powdery, and when you apply it, it leaves like patches on your face. I don't know if it's my skin or the powder doesn't. I don't know, I don't like it. And I bought this sponge, and it comes with another one, which I will show you in a second, and I like these. These are very good. The next thing is Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and this is also for blondes and lighter skin, and this is in number 1 Natural, and I will show you. It looks like this, and with this, it's good bronzer, but it's too light for me, and it's very orange. On my face I'm wearing right now, it's very orange, and it leaves like streaks on my cheek. Maybe I should get the other one, the darker one, because this is too light for my skin. I don't know, it looks And yeah, the other sponge, they were in set. But the bronzer itself, it's very good. It's just too light for me. And the last thing for sorry, and the last thing for face was the Essence Silky Touch blush, and this is in 60 Liza Cherry, and it looks like this. The color is like pinky peach. I don't know, it's very nice. It's long lasting and the pigmentation is good. I'm wearing like right now. And by the way, this is a collective haul because I bought this stuff like in 3 months, like not in one go. Now for the eye stuff, this is all Essence, I think. Now the first thing I want to talk about are these two guys. And these are Essence Eyebrow Designer in number 2 brown. First, oh my god, first time I bought this one, and here's a little swatch. And I like it a lot. And it has like a little brush here to comb through your brush. And the second time I bought another one. I'm not wearing it right now. I'm not wearing it that often because I don't think I need it, but if I'm going somewhere, then I'll put it. The next thing is this. Sorry for the hair. This is Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in number 9 Cool Down. Here is the swatch. And I like it a lot. It's very long lasting. It goes on smoothly. And I don't know, I like it. The next thing is Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. Liquid ink eyeliner with high precision brush applicator, and this is what it looks like. I have this for a while, so yeah, I will show you a swatch in a bit. I like that one because it's long lasting. It doesn't smudge. I can do a cat wing eyeliner in like that, and yeah. And then we have the Essence Kyle pencil in number 1 black, and I'll swatch it. And there's the swatch here. I don't know. Is smudge, it doesn't stay on my tight line or in my inner line, bottom line, I mean. It doesn't stay smudge. I don't like it that much. You see that I haven't used it like that much. And the last thing for eyes, I have the Essence Cat Pick Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara. It looks like this. Now I will show you the brush. The brush looks like this. I don't know, I like the consistency of this mascara. I like the formula. The formula is a little wet, sorry, and I like that, and it gives me a lot of volume, and I'm wearing it today. It gives me a lot of volume and the wah-wah-voom, and yeah. And I have 2 things left for lips. First thing is this lipstick, and this is by Pippa Be Pretty. It's in nude lipstick number 1. I don't know, Rosage, I don't know. But here is the lipstick itself, and here's the swatch. and it's nice. I mean, it's glossy. It's not that big long wearing, but it's nice. And also, I finally get Baby Lips by Maybelline. I'm so happy. I got it in Bosnia in DM. I haven't seen it here in Croatia, but here is what it looks like. And it's in Pink Punch. Here is the color and a swatch. It's like baby pink on your lips, and I don't know, it's so nice and I love it so much. And that was my haul. I hope you all enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video.